had the stupid idea to join the E36 Cup, and thanks for that one, Nikki. This is your fault. For those of you who don't know who Nikki is, they own DMO across the road from me. And he's always been driving one of these E36s up and down the road and making a lot of noise. And when I asked him what it's all about, he told me he does rallycross with it. I decided I wanted to give it a bash. I want to try some rallycross. Over the weekend, I took the boys out, everyone from the shop. How's it going, gents? Having a bit of a braai? And we just spent the day scouting out everything around the racing and what it's all about, and it looks so much fun. I'll let you decide for yourself if this is something that you enjoy. But if you do, come and watch it. Tickets at Killarney is pretty cheap. That's why you'll see this green thing over here. We're aiming right now to get this car ready by the 10th of June to go and race, and that would be my first entry. I'm a bit nervous about it, but I think just jump in both feet first and just get it done. I bought the car behind me, a BMW E36 320i. It had a 2-liter straight 6 motor in it, but that motor is locked up. The guy who I bought it from told me it was starting and that they just had a minor problem, that it wasn't idle. We tried to turn the motor on the crank and that thing is locked up solid. I can probably stand on it and it's not gonna move. Shouldn't we try that? Nah, not worth it now. Guys from N2 Towing helping us out and sorting non-runners out very quick. The owner of N2 Towing is actually in the E36 Cup as well, so cool guy, and now I've got another one. So the car cost me 9,000 Rand for that amount of money. I mean, you're not going to get a perfect car for that, and you don't want a perfect car for the E36 Cup because we're literally just going to strip everything out and make it into a track car. So I'm going to have to spend 15,000 Rand on a 2.8 liter motor, which is the biggest I can put in this. Is what it is. Let's roll this into the shop so that Eugene can get out of here, and then we'll start working on it. We're not going to try and diagnose it. We don't have time for that right now. I'm going for seat time and consistent progression, and my idea is to just go and drive in a cheap, affordable racing class. Engine ahoy! Wow! Yeah, bud. Jack it up. It's fine. column. Clear. Yeah. Woohoo! We're getting good at this pulling motor thing, eh? Doing this way too much now. Gearbox is a 5-speed manual. We might change that out to a 6-speed later on. But for now, the idea is just to get the basics done so that I can go and get some seat time. Another one. So minimum requirements, I need a roll cage, safety first. I'll need safety gear, suit, gloves, shoes, helmet.
Shatterproof.
Ik zo erg draad dit begin rook.
Wait, track did it right now.
There's still quite a lot to do and not so much time.
Man neemt in bad gaan weer.
Alright, so my E36 is finally stripped. As you can see inside, it is empty, empty, empty. We had to remove the front windows so that they can weld in the roll cage, because the cage is going to be fixed mounted, welded into the chassis. This is going to be a full-time track car. Do not expect this to be a nice or good-looking car. It's being built for a purpose. But as you can see, it's completely empty. Here's into towing, so let's get this thing out of here. Well, there she goes. First one done, going for its cage, and hopefully when it comes back we can drop a motor in it and start testing. Exciting times. Bit nervous, but that's natural. Right, so as you would have seen, I'm joining the E36 Cup, and let me show you whose fault it is. Nikki, me and Devin decided to join this, and this car that we're all sitting on was supposed to be kind of a donor chassis, but now it's Devin's. You ready for this?
Ready as I can be.
So, yeah, this all started with Nikki having fun, and you saw him in the video enjoying himself in Kalani, and now it's going to be the three of us. So stay tuned for the progress. See you next time.